Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adrienne from Mum's House Party. You can subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button to like all of my videos, and you can find me over at Mum's House Party on Instagram. So I'm just back from the hairdressers. I don't normally look this glamorous. I'm going to set 20 minutes on my phone because that's exactly the amount of time I've got before the school run start, and I'm going to get this bathroom tip-top clean. I'm starting in the shower because this hasn't been cleaned for ages. Well, I say ages, a couple of weeks, but it's really overdue. So I ran out of time, had to go to the school run, and now it's dark, but I've got to finish my sink. So I'm going to crack on now.